first thing I'm going to do is pop the oil cap just to get airflow so it can drain good. Just pop it a little bit like that. This underneath the car, there's the old oil filter. From this view, see this little nubby thing here? It's on the other side of the nubby thing. It's right here. It's kind of dark under here, kind of hard to see, but that's where it's at. I'm going to take this bolt out. It should be a 13 millimeter, I think. Broke the oil drain plug free. That's it. It's raining. Just let it drain. Do its thing. Alright, that ought to be good. And just wipe up a little bit. Alright, I'll just snug this bolt up. To get the oil filter off, I got a oil filter wrench, and it just slips on the back here, and you just undo it. Give it about a half turn and pull that off, so you don't make a mess. Just like that. Let that drain for a little bit. Alright, here's my new filter. I took a little bit of oil and kind of just dipped it in my old oil pan there. Got some oil on the ring. Run my finger around it. Got oil everywhere. Now I'm just gonna screw this back in. Just get it hand tight. Okay, then once you get it hand tight, okay, got my oil cap off and a funnel. Going to be filling up my engine with 5W20 synthetic Mobil 1. I like using that stuff. I think it's pretty good. So here goes. Pop the cap off. A little bit. Okay. Added my oil and put the cap on, and then go start her up, let her run, check for leaks.